Welcome to our channel. Today, we will share with you the ultimate stock buying strategy, revealing the art of investing. So, let's get started. To master the art of investing in stocks, you need a solid strategy. The first step is to do your research. Analyze the company's financial health, read news articles about upcoming projects or acquisitions, and study the market trends. This will help you make an informed decision about the stock you are considering. Next, always diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different sectors and industries to reduce your risk. Spread your money across various stocks to ensure that even if one stock performs poorly, your overall portfolio remains healthy. Another crucial aspect is to invest for the long term. Stocks tend to perform better over extended periods. Avoid the temptation of quick gains and focus on companies that have strong fundamentals and growth potential. Long-term investing allows you to ride out market fluctuations and potentially reap greater rewards. Timing is important in stock investing. Consider buying stocks when the market is down. This strategy, known as a buying on the dip, allows you to purchase stocks at a lower price, increasing your potential for profit. However, always remember that timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible, so focus on the fundamentals instead. Lastly, set a stop-loss order. This is a predetermined price at which you will sell your stock to limit your losses. By automating this process, you protect yourself from significant declines in stock prices, ensuring that you don't lose more than you can afford. Remember, investing in stocks involves risks, and there are no guaranteed profits. However, by following these strategies, you can increase your chances of success in the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and strategies.